You can start the session, sir.
Morning, dear students.
Morning.
Today we had discussed some problems on equations of line and some problems mainly on perpendicular image of the line. Some problem we asked focus region to verify area of the triangle. So now we'll go for the problem. Before that, do you get the answers for all the questions? The homework questions. Or your students give you the answers for all the homework questions?
No, sir.
Why?
I've got two
What about
questions on.
others?
Sir.
How many questions you got the answer?
Yeah, sir. Only two questions.
I told I think only Vignesh or something accepted that yes, you don't get the answer. I don't know is it Vignesh or Navneet, I don't know exactly. What about others? Do you get the answer for all the questions?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes. Which question you don't get answer?
Foot of the perpendicular, sir.
I don't know I think is Navneeta Vignesh who did not get the answer. Which question you don't get the answer?
Foot of the perpendicular, sir.
Pardon?
Foot of the perpendicular, sir. Sir.
Yes, you told you don't get the answer. For which question I asked you?
Yeah, sir. I'm telling foot of the perpendicular. Sir, can't you hear me?
Pardon?
Can't you hear me, sir? I'm telling that the foot of the perpendicular don't get an
Please
answer.
speak loudly. See,
Sorry,
the
sir.
girls, how they speak loudly.
Sir, I have a throat issue. That's why I'm not talking as soon as possible, sir.
Literally, I can't hear what you're telling.
Sir, can I message you?
Yes, you message, I come to the meet. Please speak loudly. See, Bhavana, how boldly she speaks when she speaks in the meet. Kumka did not get the answer. Vignesh, okay, understood, okay. No issues, Vignesh. Okay, understood. Your voice was very feeble. I was finding very difficult to hear what you were saying. Okay, no issues. Get well soon. Just say which question you not get the answer. Now let's Homka, which question you not get the answer. At least type it. If you can't say, we'll discuss it here. First, we'll discuss first. We'll go for the other problems. What about others? Gayatri, did you get the answer? Ashrita, or Futta the perpendicular. Futta the perpendicular, two questions are there. Which question you not get the answer? Navneet, which question you not get the answer? Navneet also typed some this one telling that you not get the answer. So, I think there are two questions. Which question you not get the answer?
First one, sir.
Okay, don't worry, we'll do it now. Futta the perpendicular. So, from 0, 2, lines are on. And from this point 4, 4, there is perpendicular is drawn. We have to find the equation of the line drawing of these foot of perpendiculars. So we got the line equation at y is equal to 0. This is another, sorry, first line equation we got was y minus 2 is equal to 0. Another line equation we got line equation there. Yesterday, 4x minus ay plus 6 is equal to 0. These are two line equations that we got. So now we have to find the foot of the perpendicular from 4, 4 to the line y minus 2 is equal to 0. But this, if you listen carefully, this is a line y is equal to 2. That means the line parallel to x-axis. The 4, 4 is somewhere here. The foot of the perpendicular will be 4, much 4, how much will be this one? How much will be this one? I have drawn the diagram. At least by the diagram, you tell me the answer. Huh? Alright, I'll draw a diagram from the beginning so that you can understand what I did. So y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the line. So if you simplify it, it is becoming y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 is a line, nothing but it's a line parallel to x-axis. And this distance is to this one. And this is my point 4, comma 4. From this point, I have to find the perpendicular distance, that foot of the perpendicular. That means this point will become how much?
4,2, sir.
4, comma
2.
2. Therefore, the foot of the perpendicular of this line is 4, comma 2. Now we have to find the foot of the perpendicular for the line 4, comma 4. And 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. For this line, we have to find the foot of the perpendicular. So let me take the foot of the perpendicular as h, comma k. So by the equation, what I will do is h minus x1 by a equal to a minus I1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by a square plus b square. That is equal to, we have written this formula. H minus x1 value is 4 by a value is how much in the equation 4. That is equal to k minus y1 value is 4, b value is minus 3. That is equal to ax1, a into 4 into 4, 16 plus b value is b value is minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12 plus 6 whole divided by a value is 16 plus 9. That is equal to x minus 4 by 4 is equal to k minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 16 minus 12 is 4, 4 plus 6 is equal to, or is minus is there, 10 minus 10 by 25. Simplify this one, this is equal to plus 2 by 5. So h minus 4 by 4 is equal to k minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Cross multiply
Yeah.
will be 4 is equal to minus 4 is equal to, from this one, if you
Kevin, sir.
so h is equal to 4, that is equal to 5 equal to 12 by 5. K is equal to k is equal to 6 by 5 plus 4 that is equal to 5 by 6 plus 20 is equal to 26 by 5. Therefore, my perpendicular is
Why it is
12,
breaking?
16 by, sorry, 26 by 5. This is of one foot of the perpendicular. Another foot of the perpendicular is 4 comma 2. Now by what is this called as now by the 2.4 on x minus x1 by sorry y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Simplify and tell me the equation.
Kevin, sir,
Yes,
is it the K point is 22 by 5 or 26 by 5?
26 by 5. Why 25 by 5 I will come?
Can you check it
Okay.
well, sir?
Why 25 by 5 will come? 6 by 5 plus 4, how much?
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir, you're right. I didn't read the -3.
No, why 25 will come there?
Not 25, sir. I've written 22.
Why 22 is coming there?
I didn't take -3, sir.
See, the equations are here, both the equations are.
Yeah, sir. But K -4 by 3, no, sir. I didn't take
No, k
-3.
minus 4. If 4 goes to the other side, what happens? Minus 4 will become plus 4. So simplify and tell me the equation. What do you get the answer? What is the simplified equation?
Yeah, we, we,
the answer, dear students? Still not get the answer.
Sir. So
Yes.
2x plus y minus
Pardon?
4. So is it x? Sorry, 2x plus y minus 40 equal to 0?
X. We're supposed to get 2x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Cross check.
Yeah, sir. 2x plus y minus 10, sir. Not 40.
X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Next question is, a line is drawn. A line is drawn to the point 1 comma 2. A line is drawn to the point 1 comma 2 and meets the coordinate axis at P and Q. P and Q. A line is drawn from the point 1 comma 2 and this line meets the coordinate axis at P and Q such that it forms a triangle OPQ. Means line is passing through the point 1 comma 2 and it is meeting the coordinate axis at P and Q. Because of that, it is making a triangle OPQ. The area of triangle OPQ is least. If the area of triangle OPQ is least, then the slope of the line PQ is dash. Not the slope of the line PQ. That means the line is passing to the point 1 comma 2. The line is passing to 1 and meeting the x and y axis some P and Q. And a triangle OPQ is formed. The area of triangle OPQ is least, then find the slope of PQ. Miss, our triangle of the area of our triangle OPQ is very least, miss very minimum value. That is the condition. Find the slope of the line PQ. This is what they are telling. So, first of all, what we will do is we will take a line equation. See, if you take this line equation very carefully, this is the form intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Because this is the intercept form. So, and in this intercept form, already the question they are told that my line is passing to the point 1 comma 2. My line is satisfy that point because the line is passing to that point. Right now, the basic thing what we learned in uh, coordinate geometry. If a line is passing to the point, means if I put that point in the line equation, that point will satisfy the line equation. Basing on that, what I will do, I'll put 1 comma 2 in the equation. The what happens? 1 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1. So from this one, what happens? From this one, what happens is 2 by b is equal to 1 minus 1 by a. That is equal to a minus 1 by a. So I want b is equal to 2a by a minus 1. Do you understand so much?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand so much?
Yes, sir.
Hello, dear students, respond kindly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is a triangle found by intercept form. That means intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. With that line, the triangle is formed. For this triangle, the area is different. This triangle area is what yesterday we discussed from yesterday, day for yesterday, and last of the things we discussed.
Is what is the area of triangle given by area of triangle is given by A is equal to A is equal to
C square by 2 into mod
A
AB,
is equal to
sir.
C square by 2 into mod AB.
Yes, sir.
C square into mod of A into B. So in this one, what is this called as? The intercept form line, it becomes half into AB. Why I'm telling? Because C value is 1. So 1 square by 2 into AB, that will be half into A into B. You don't know, this is very problematic. Now, A is equal to half into A value is A and B value is A minus, sorry, B value is
Sir,
A into 2A minus A minus 1. This
Kevin,
will
sir.
get cancels. That is equal
Kevin,
to
sir.
A square by A minus 1. That is my area of a triangle.
Kevin, sir.
Yes, Vignesh.
Is it A value is 1 by A or A?
Pardon?
A value is 1 by A, no, sir.
2A by A minus 1. Cross check.
No, sir. I'm telling the for A value. A value is 1 by A, isn't it or not?
A value is not 1 by A. A value is A. Why A value is 1 by A?
1 by A into X is X by A, no, sir. That's why.
Equal the equation with the standard equation.
Yeah, sir. That's why I
Equal
got
the
1 by
equation with the
B.
standard equation. 1 by A plus 2 by B is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. A is equal to A. From this, we are taking the equation value of B.
Okay, sir.
So, my area of the triangle is equal to now A square by A minus 1. Now they are telling that what? My area of triangle is least, is minimum. So there is a start differentiation for you, derivatives. This one is there is a start differentiation for you, derivatives. Yes or no? What is students can respond?
uh, uh, uh,
Students, there is a start derivative for you or differentiation for you? Please just tell me yes. If they are not start, tell me no. Pardon? Please just start differentiation for you.
Yes, sir. Differential.
Okay. Did they go for application of differentiation, rate of change of a measurement and so on? Okay, don't worry. Actually, what is differentiation exactly? What do you mean by differentiation exactly? What do you mean by differentiation exactly? Okay. Here we take A is equal to A square by A minus 1. That is our area. So what is it? What do you mean by differentiation? A derivative exactly. What do you mean by differentiation? A derivative exactly.
Two terms are different.
Pardon? is a measure of the change of one quantity or one parameter when the other parameter is getting changed. Correct? No? Yes, we are changing the measure how one parameter is going to change when we are changing the other parameter. Huh? Remember f of x plus h, delta x. Delta x is brought in. What happens to my delta y? I am measuring my change of parameter x as I am changing my parameter x to delta x. What happens to my parameter y? That is called as the differentiation. The change, the measure of the change of one parameter with the other. Measure the change of one parameter with the another. That is called as what? Differentiation. And usually we take this differentiation, of course, when we study the next chapter. Next chapter is application of derivatives only. There we apply this differentiation is in various applications are there as slope, slope of the tangent, approximation, maxima, minima, then rate of change of quantities. A lot of things are there. So now we'll come here to a topic called what they are given is they are told that the area of triangle is minimum. So we have to find the under this condition we have to find the what is called as a slope of the line. The area of triangle is minimum means we'll use the concept of differentiation. What is the differentiation is telling? Okay, there is a concept of local maxima, local minima, and so on. For example, this is my function y is equal to f of x. That's not, I will draw some other one. Yes, the function these are these things are called as my local minima. At these points, my function has got a local maxima. Means maybe at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 5, at x is equal to 9. My functions are having local minimas. At x is equal to 1, maybe 4, maybe 6, maybe 12. My functions are having a local maxima. Means my functions are attaining some maximum value. But at x is equal to 12, my function has got a highest maximum value. And at x is equal to 4 or something, my function has got lowest minimum value. This is called as absolute maxima and absolute minima. That is called as absolute maxima and absolute minima. Yes, the function at which point the function gets the highest value for the function. That point is called as point of absolute maximum. Point of absolute maximum, and the value is called as absolute maxima. The point at which the function gets the very lowest value. No other value can a function can get after that point. That point is called as what is called as that point is called as point of absolute minimum, and the value is called as absolute minima. Is this concept understood? The concept of local maxima, local minima, absolute maxima, absolute minima, point of absolute maxima, and point of absolute minimum. Is it clear? If you are clear, we'll go ahead because okay, this thing you'll learn very detailedly. But just I'm giving you brief introduction of what is maxima and minima and how we can use that concept to solve the things. Is the concept of local maxima, local minima, absolute minima is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, the concept of what is this called as maxima and minima, what we are doing is the given function, we differentiate it. The given function, we differentiate it. And what we do is, after differentiating that function, we equate that function to 0. After differentiating that function, we equate that function to 0 and find the points of minimum. Find out whether the points of minimum or points of maximum. We don't know exactly. Here it is, they are given it is uh, a triangle. The area of a triangle is reaching least minimum value. That means we are finding the point of minima. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find the point of minima. So for that, differentiate the function. Differentiate, tell me, dA by dA. Differentiate with respect to a and tell me what will be the answer.
1.
1 na. Use
2a,
quotient rule.
2a, sir.
Differentiation, product rule, quotient rule, and so on.
2a by 1.
Product rule, differential of u into v is equal to u into dv plus v into du. Same thing. So we got a quotient rule. D into u by v is equal to v square whole divided by minus u into dv. So now my function is in the form of u by v. A square by a minus 1. Differentiate using this one. If you don't know, you say I'll differentiate it. You know how to differentiate it?
So we will different.
Pardon? Now distance, do you know how to differentiate it?
Don't know, sir.
If you don't try, I'll do it for you. So differentiation here, sum of u by v. What I will do, I'll differentiate this one. I hope whatever I explained you written in the book or simplicity, I don't know exactly. Whole divided by first v square a minus 1 whole square v into a minus 1 into differentiation of a square is equal to 2a minus u into a square into differentiation of a minus 1 is equal to 1. So if you simplify this one, this will be equal to a minus 1 into 2a minus a square by a minus 1 whole square dA by dA. So we know that I told already, after differentiating, we have to equate that with 0. Means I have to equate, just now I'll clear of this formula. Means dA by dA is equal to 0. Is equal to, what is this left out? 2a into a minus 1 minus a square whole divided by a minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Cross multiply, what is left out is 2a square minus 2a minus a square is equal to 0. That is equal to a square minus 2a is equal to 0. A into a minus 2 is equal to 0. I'll write the here only. A into a minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. A is equal to 2 or A is equal to 0. So tell me which value I should take. I should take A is equal to 0, A is equal to 2.
A equal to 0.
These friends, tell me which value should I take. A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 2.
0.
Two.
A is equal to, which value should I take?
0, sir.
Huh? Please speak loudly.
0,
Zero.
sir.
Zero.
A is equal to 0. Why?
Minimum value.
Huh? A is equal to 0. Why?
To get minimum value, sir.
All of your answer is wrong. Take, take A is equal to 0. The line will, there won't be a line. The line will come like this. There won't be intercept. That means the x-intercept will be 0. Therefore, A cannot be equal to 0. A is equal to 2. The minimum value of A. Is it clear? Because if I take A is equal to 0, then my line will not cut x-axis at all. My line will not touch x-axis at all. It will be passing through y-axis only, y-axis and origin. It will be coincident on y-axis and origin. So, therefore, I can't take A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. If I take it, will be a contradiction to my condition. Therefore, the only value I can take is A is equal to 2. From this, I have the equation, no? 1 by A plus 2 by B is equal to 1. So, 1 by 2 plus 2 by B is equal to 1. That is equal to 2 by B is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 2 by B is equal to 1 by 2. And for B is equal to 4. So for the equation, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. As x by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. That is equal to 2. 2x plus y is equal to 4. For this line, the slope is how much? Minus a by b is equal to minus 2. Do you understand how to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
This was asked in JEE mains in 2016. So do you understand the concept of local maxima, local minima, absolute maxima, and absolute minima? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And how to do when the problem is given as least and most and so on. Whenever they give that area is least, the distance is least, go for this differentiation. After differentiating, equate it with 0. Find the point of local maxima or local minima. How to find the point of maximum or point of minimum? POM. Once you find that point of maximum or minimum, then proceed ahead. We'll go for the next question. The next question is, a straight line meets the coordinate axis at A and B. Means a straight line. The straight line is meeting a coordinate axis at A and B. The center of triangle is 1, 2. The centroid is given. Center is 1, 2. Centroid is 1, 2. Find the equation of AB. I have to find the equation of AB. So this is the form of the equation of AB will be in the form of x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So this point will be, if I take this equation as A and this as B, this point will be A comma 0. this will be 0, comma b. Therefore, centroid G 1, comma 2 will be equal to a by 3, comma b by 3. That will be equal to a by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. Okay, B is equal to 6. Okay. B by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation will become x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Simplify this equation. You will get the equation as 2x plus y is equal to 6. You understand?
Yes, sir.
No, allow. Do you understand, your students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question is an homework question. The length of the segment of a straight line. The length of the segment of a straight line passing through 3, 3 and 7, 6. Yes. Try to find the length of the segment of a line 3, 3 and 7, 6. Cutting coordinates from here, from this one to this one. You have to find. This is very easy. Easy distance, only you'll get this one. But from here to here, you have to find out for AB. You have to find the length of AB, which is cutting the coordinate axis. Is dash. So try to do this question as a homework. Options are, I will give the options. 4 by 5. Option A, 4 by 5. Option B, 5 by 4. Option C, 7 by 4. Option D, 4 by 7. Go for the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, a variable line is passing through a fixed point alpha comma beta. A variable line is passing through the fixed point alpha comma beta, intersecting the axis A and B. There is a point alpha comma beta, and my variable line is passing through this one, cutting A and B. What is the origin of that this one? Find the locus of centroid. Means this locus of centroid you have to find out. First find out the centroid, then find the locus of the centroid. We'll be able to do this one. Same thing what we did for the previous problem. You remember? Not this one, the previous problem. You remember we did not. There we did there we found the equation of AB. Instead of finding the equation of AB, we have to find the locus of centroid. Same process. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Find the centroid h comma k. Then since it is passing through alpha comma beta, put alpha comma beta to the equation. We alpha x plus something will come. Then simplify. Will you able to do it? Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
This one, please respond.
Yes, sir.
No, same thing. What we have done earlier. Like this, you have done some 3, 4 problems. Try it. If you don't get it, come tomorrow. We'll discuss again. Like today, you told us I don't understand that problem. We'll discuss like that. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
One more problem. This also we did it today in the morning. Similar, let us see how we will do. Like maximum and minimum. Try these 2 or 3 problems. If you don't get, you come tomorrow. We'll discuss in the class. At least I want you to try. A straight line with negative slope. A straight line with negative slope. That means my slope is less than 0. A straight line with negative slope passes to the point 1, comma 1. A straight line with negative slope passes to the point 1, comma 1 and curves the positive x and y axis. And curves the positive x and y axis at A and B. The line has got negative slope and cutting the positive x and y axis. Somewhere the slope is there, but it is cutting the positive x and y axis. A and B. If O is origin, find the minimum value of OA plus OB. I should find the minimum value of OA plus OB. The options are option A1, option B2, option C3, option D4. So we have to find the minimum value of OA and OB. Please don't think that one is a minimum value and we don't take one. Some of you are very, very intelligent. How it? Same similarly. Again, see, all this time we are doing the problems only on intercept form. So just to think how intercept form is very important. So same process, do it when it comes to OA and OB. Get the equation, you get one equation, differentiate that equation and so on. Okay, with this we'll stop the class today. So you have got, I think, 3 to 4 questions as homework. At least solve it. The reason we are giving homework is mainly so that you may go through the problems, go through the concepts and learn the at least the formulas. Okay, thank you, students. We'll meet tomorrow morning at this time. We'll continue the class here. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students, again, we have class in the evening from 6:30 to 8:30. Bye, everyone.